In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Colab Notebook from Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Drive site. Make sure you're already signed in so you can access your files. Next, open a new tab and go to colab.research.google.com. This will take you to the Google Colab interface where you can work with notebook files. Once the page loads, look at the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Open Notebook. This will open a pop-up window with different options for where to find your file. On the left-hand side of that window, click on the Google Drive tab. This allows you to access all the notebook files stored in your drive. Now browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find your notebook file. Look carefully for the file with the .ipynb extension, which is the format used for Colab notebooks. Click on the name of the notebook you want to open. After selecting it, wait a few moments while the notebook loads in a new browser tab. Once the notebook is open, go to the top right corner and click the Connect button. This step is important because it allocates resources so you can start running code inside the notebook. Alternatively, you can open the notebook directly from Google Drive. Go back to your Drive tab and locate the notebook file. Right-click on the file, then choose Open With and select Google Collaboratory. If you don't see this option, click Connect More Apps, search for Collaboratory, and install it. Then return to the file, right-click again, and open it with Collaboratory. Once your notebook is open in Colab, you can also access other files from your drive. Look at the left sidebar and click the folder icon. Then click the Mount Drive icon to link your storage and work with additional data files directly inside your notebook. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.